Welcome to TechIQ. Today we are going to learn about how to install and take remote access using Anydesk. First of all, search Anydesk in Google and download exe file. Once download complete, open it and install. Now Anydesk is open and you can see your 9-digit number. This is my Windows PC. Now we are go to our second PC. Open Anydesk in Linux. This is my 9-digit number. You can provide your 9-digit number to your remote person. Here we have to enter 9-digit number of remote system. After completing, request has been sent to remote system. Exit from the remote system. Now we will use RDP in Linux system through Windows system. Open YouTube in your remote system. Now search TechIQ Education. This is our channel. If you still not subscribe our channel, then subscribe it. This is my Linux system and this is my Windows system. Hope you all understood how to take remote access through Anydesk. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe TechIQ.